There you have it, people. Cheesecake crusted apples. You can do this for any day, for any holiday, especially Valentine's Day coming up this month in February. So, hey, for that special with someone, go ahead and make that treat. I'm Evo. You know, I'm out this way. What's up, guys? It's Evo. Today I'm here to teach y'all how to make cheesecake crusted apples. These are the items that y'all need. I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, we're gonna start with cheesecake. This is a no-bake cheesecake. You just need a cup and a half of cold milk, and then you stir it until it's fluffy. So then I got these golden Oreos. You can get this from any local supermarket. This you gotta put in a food processor. You can get one cheap. You can blend it up till it's like fine dust. Then you put that in a separate bowl. After you do that, you grab your freeze-dried strawberries. You can also get this in a local supermarket, but this is gonna be by the raisins. Do not look in the cold section like I did for 30 minutes trying to find these, because I thought it said freeze-dried. After you do that, you're gonna same process your Oreos. You're gonna blend them up, and then you put them in a bowl with the golden Oreos. But before you finish that part, you gotta get you some Jello. Pour until you like it. I got the family pack, so I'll use like half of mine. And just to get a little more sweetness. Then you use a cup of, not a cup, a cap of oil. Put it in there, mix it, and I'm gonna show you how the consistency is supposed to look when I get all the products. After that, y'all, you know you gotta get your white chocolate. You can't have no cheesecake crusted apple without chocolate on it. It's white chocolate though. But if you can't get it, I know y'all probably looking and asking, what is this lemon juice for? Holla out your apple. You coat the inside of your apple so it won't turn brown. You know apples really usually turn brown. And make sure you wash your apple. My apple's already washed. So without further ado, let me go ahead and show y'all stuff I made. Alright, we back, y'all. I already did 3 of these myself, but like I promised y'all, I'm gonna show y'all how to do one. Go ahead and get you a knife. Make sure the safety's first. Make sure you cut the top off, just as so. You know, don't cut too much, but you cut the top off. After you cut the top off, you can keep it if you want to decorate it, but I'm not gonna keep it. So I put this. Get one of these for like $1. Go in here, press, and scoop. Then you're gonna drop it out like that. Repeat that process until it's hollowed out. And as you can see, it's hollowed out. So, like I said, after you do that, the lemon juice, when I mentioned earlier, you get a little brush, you baste the inside of it so it would not brown out as fast. Baste it, you know. Make sure you pour out any excess lemon juice in there. Make sure y'all clean up your workstation or move to the side. We finished with this, we don't need this no more. Take our apple, and like I mentioned, you have that chocolate, that white chocolate. It's already been microwaved. Do that. Take a fork, pierce it. Don't pierce it too deep. And then you're gonna swirl it. Swirl it in the chocolate. Swirl it in the chocolate. You gotta tilt it a little bit. Get that side. Alright, y'all. Now we're back. I messed up a little on the first one. The ice was a little too thick. Like I like to win it. But it's okay. So, we got this one. So I already went ahead and did these. I'm still gonna show you this. Head and twist it. My apple in now. Just get it, like I said, thick enough. If you can't get some of the spots like this, go and paint it on. This is what this spatula for. And I'm just gonna smooth it out. crust everywhere. Alright, we got it smoothed out as best we can. Now we're gonna take our dry ingredients, our crust, then we just go ahead and roll that. Roll it good, y'all. So you get it all rolled up. Just like that. After you do that, we're gonna take these, put them in the freezer for like 2 to 3 minutes to let the ice and harden, and then we'll be right back. Alright, now that we're back, we got our apples out of the refrigerator. Like I said, it took 2 to 3 minutes to do it. Now, we're about to pipe the rest of the apples. So go ahead and get this technique I learned from Gordon Ramsay. Shout out to him. Go hit. Look at that. Look at that. That's that no-bake cheesecake. Hit that circle though. Hit that circle. Don't mind you. You go hit. Then we're gonna go ahead and do this one. You could do a little faster. So you want a little faster, squeeze a little harder. Yeah. Like that. You want to decorate it with regular strawberries, anything you have, you can. You got to serve, like I said, strawberries, broken strawberries. But since we still have this crust mixture, I'm going to go ahead and turn it to crust bake. Go ahead and do that. Look at that. Look at that move. Get a little bit more. Look at that. There you have it, people. Cheesecake crusted apples. You can do this for any day, for any holiday, especially Valentine's Day coming up this month in February. So, hey, for that special someone, go ahead and make that treat. I'm Evo.